because we don't have to, and we have so many other places to go. So it was a negative force. It was down the plane. That makes sense because we're trying to make it accelerate down the plane faster than it is wont to accelerate. Yes? Do we know that word? We are making it accelerate faster down the plane than it is wont to accelerate by itself. Isn't that a great word? Means like almost like it wants to, right? That we are where we were wont to go, we were likely to go, right? Okay, so there's D, and then we have E.
Is it up or down?
Which way is it?
Negative.
It's negative, so definitely this guy's down, right? The question was, is it up or down?
So is it always positive or up?
Positive is up the plane, negative is down the plane, yeah. It's like, yeah, right. So that's what you do. If it's positive, you say it's up the plane, negative is down the plane. And I'll try to shake you. I'll be like, we'll be whiteboarding, and I'll go, which way is it? And you have a positive answer there, and you go, I don't know. Well, positive is up the plane. Okay, so there we go. Okay, so E is marvelous. Okay, this is like almost a euphoric moment here. Okay, E says, suppose there were a friction force of 9.5 newtons. What force in what direction would make the block slide down the plane with an acceleration of 1.9 meters per second squared down the plane? Right? So it's going to accelerate down the plane and presumably move down the plane. Right? Its acceleration down the plane will be 1.9 meters per second squared down the plane. Right? So we're going to make that guy negative. Right? And then there's 9.5 newtons. Well, if it's sliding down the plane, which way is the friction force? Up the plane, yes? Yes. Do we know that rule? Right, so if the stool, if I'm pushing on a stool and I let go of it and it slides that way, the friction force is this way. It's always opposite the velocity, because imagine if it weren't. Right, you push the stool, off it goes. Bye-bye. That'd be fun, wouldn't it? Okay, so part E, let's see, we've got a friction force. It's sliding down the plane. The 9.5 newtons will be up the plane. It'll be positive, right? This guy, the parallel force, will still be down the plane. So now this is like, I'm so happy here because we have actually 3 forces that we can put in there. Yeah? I'm nearly euphoric about this. So what are the 3 forces? The one that's always there is negative 21.50, right? What else? Well, this is gravity, right? Plus 9.5, right? And then what's the other one? Yeah, the one that we don't know, right? And then that equals, what does that equal? 5 times, careful, negative 1.9. Will we get it right, by the way, if we just, does it matter? Can we put the positive in there and still get the right answer? No. No, you'll get a wrong number. You'll get the wrong number if you put that in there, because it's not like we're just multiplying and dividing. We're also adding up things, right? So it matters. Does anybody have any idea which way this force is who hasn't already calculated it? Is it going to be up the plane or down the plane? Do we know? Can you tell by just looking at this expression, though? I can't tell. I'm not Rain Man. I can't really figure this out, right? Okay, so 5 times negative 1.9 minus 9.5 plus 21.50. Do you guys get positive 2.5? Yeah. Is that up the plane or down the plane? Are you sure? Yeah, always be sure. There we go. Let's see if you guys can do this. Yeah, let's do a little whiteboard.